In this video, I'm going to show you 5 steps to get you started on social media. Hi, I'm Josh from the University of Verne Small Business Development Center, and here at the SBDC, we provide business owners with free one-on-one consulting and business tip videos just like this one. So if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. Many of our business clients look to start digital marketing on social media because it's free and easy to get started, but they don't know enough about marketing to be productive. In today's episode, I'm going to give you 5 steps to get started on social media right so you can grow your business with digital marketing. The number one most important thing you need to know is your customer. Why does it matter? Well, knowing your ideal customer is important because these are the ones who are going to be buying and making money for your business. Now, you may get distracted by all the insane amount of users each network has. Don't. Not all of these people are going to be your customers, and you will have to do your research to find the right network to use. Check out the research that I already did down in the description below. So now that you have an idea of who your best customers are, it's time to figure out what they all have in common. This is called a persona. A persona is a condensed version of all the attributes your best customers have, including age, gender, income, and any other factors like this sample persona I created here. Your next step is to pick a platform. Now, don't just hop on every platform unless you want to waste your time. Choose the right platform with the demographics that match your audience the best. Take a look at the demographics based on my example persona. I also linked the demographics all in a single article in the description below. Now, I would go with Facebook based on my example I presented earlier. So now you need to know how your marketing will actually work. Setting up a sales funnel is what I like to call the know, like, and trust factors, getting buyers to move along each stage of the process. For example, buyers need to know you actually exist. Creating content will get them to like you, and you need testimonials or reviews to get them to trust you before they actually purchase. And this is the basic of how a sales funnel actually works. Now, while social media may be easy to start and run, only about 6% of all the followers will be able to look at your stuff, like on Facebook. And advertising may be the path you want to take to get your message out there. For example, targeted advertising can reach thousands of people who may not follow you to see your content, rather than the dozens of people who actually follow your company. This can also be used to build your following on social media if your strategy calls for it. And there you have it, 5 simple steps to get started on social media. If you're a business owner who wants to start digital marketing, social media isn't really a bad way to begin. The key is being strategic with your platforms and your efforts. So, how are you using social media to build your business? Do you have any tips of your own? Drop them down in the comments below. Check out the companion article for a full explanation of all the examples and the information I shared in this video. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring that notification bell to get updates on all of our new videos to grow your business through digital marketing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.